exotic Caribbean delight. You know, once I say Caribbean, me all looking at this. Let's go. Oh my God. Yes.
All right.
All right. This is the banana cake.
Banana cake.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh my God. I love that.
Awesome. Yes, I love that as well. Now, stop right here.
That's a little shot.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Like that.
It's good. It's good.
Now, this is the rum raisin. Oh yeah. Now that's definitely a morning shot.
Oh, it's a morning shot. This is the rum and raisin, guys. Let's try it.
Now those raisins were soaked in 2 overproof rum for over 3 years.
You said overproof rum?
3 years.
Oh my God. Guys, let's take a shot. I need to hold on. What? Oh my God. It's between the rum and the banana for me.
Hey, you never know someday.
Wow. All right. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the rum and raisin.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really not for me,
Right.
but yeah, I'm just like, you know, I think they would like it. So,
Where are you from originally?
Jamaica.
Okay, I heard the
Yeah.
accent, but it's a little different.
Oh, I've been here too long.
Oh,
That's the
okay.
reason.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Barbados.
Oh.
So you should have recognized one of the rums. The one is yours and one is ours.
When you said the
Nephew.
overproof, yes, when you said the overproof, I'm like, yeah, I gotta do it for the culture, you know. Love that. Okay. Can't believe my accent is changing. I gotta go back and tune it up. All you need is a trip to just whip you back in shape, you know?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Mm-hmm. This is very nice. Like the setup.
This is tap or insert. It's got a nice voice.
I know, right? I thought it was actually like music playing.
Oh, yeah.
She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She kept an eye on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake
This
up
is
and
nice. Do you have like an online store or so?
Yes. If you tap my web, you can tap either one of those. The website is there.
Okay.
And Instagram and so on.
All right.
Just tap your phone on it and it would pull it up for you.
you belong with me.
The one down there, I can tell what they had because they all accepted coffee and breakfast.
Oh, I remember you driving to my house in the middle of the night. I wanna make you laugh when you know you're about to cry. I know your favorite songs and you tell me about your dreams. You know where you belong. Think I know it's with me. If you could see all the stars you've been. And everything you do, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. And it was called Yellow. do is all